7 AI tools that will make you rich in 2025. Welcome all my Get Money people. Here today on Get Money Tony, we look ahead to 2025. As we look into the job market, we see it is rapidly evolving, driven by the integration of artificial intelligence, AI tools that are reshaping how we work and earn. The significance of AI in this context cannot be overstated. It is not just a trend, but a fundamental shift that demands our attention and adaptation. With automation and intelligent systems becoming increasingly prevalent, the urgency to embrace these technologies is critical for anyone looking to thrive in the future workforce. In this video, we aim to introduce you to 7 powerful AI tools that can significantly enhance your earning potential. Each of these tools has been carefully selected for its ability to streamline processes, boost productivity, and ultimately help you generate income in innovative ways. By leveraging these technologies, you can position yourself ahead of the curve, tapping into new opportunities that were previously unimaginable. Imagine the financial benefits that await you as you harness the capabilities of AI to optimize your work and create additional revenue streams. Join us as we explore these transformative tools and empower you to take control of your financial future in an increasingly AI-driven world. As we approach 2030, the conversation around job displacement due to artificial intelligence, AI, is becoming increasingly urgent. According to a prediction by Goldman Sachs, an astonishing 300 million jobs could be replaced by AI technologies, highlighting the profound impact these advancements will have on the workforce. This statistic serves as a wake-up call for individuals across various industries, emphasizing the necessity of adapting to this changing landscape. To remain relevant in a world where AI is taking over traditional roles, it is crucial to experiment with and embrace AI tools now. By doing so, you can not only safeguard your current position, but also open doors to new opportunities that AI creates. The time to act is now. The longer you wait, the more challenging it may become to catch up with the rapid pace of technological advancement. Exploring AI tools today will equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in the future job market. As we navigate this transformative era, taking proactive steps to understand and leverage AI will be essential for career resilience. Don't wait for the changes to happen. Be at the forefront of this evolution and ensure your place in the workforce of tomorrow. Midjourney is an innovative tool that can help you generate income through Instagram by creating stunning, engaging images that capture the attention of your audience. To get started, simply input your creative ideas or themes into Midjourney, and it will generate high-quality visuals tailored to your specifications. These captivating images can be used to enhance your Instagram feed, making it more visually appealing and engaging for your followers. As you consistently post eye-catching content, you have the potential to build a loyal following that appreciates your unique aesthetic. One lucrative opportunity lies in selling digital wallpapers created with Midjourney. By offering these exclusive designs to your audience, you can monetize your creativity while providing value to your followers. Additionally, Instagram serves as a powerful platform for exploring various income streams. You can collaborate with brands, promote affiliate products, or even offer personalized design services, all while leveraging your growing audience. The combination of Midjourney's capabilities and Instagram's vast reach allows you to turn your passion for art into a sustainable income source. Embrace this opportunity to harness the power of AI-generated visuals and transform your Instagram presence into a profitable venture. Displate is an excellent platform that can significantly enhance your income from AI-generated images through its print-on-demand services. The process is straightforward. First, create your stunning visuals using AI tools like Midjourney. Once you have your designs ready, simply upload them to Displate, where they can be printed on high-quality metal posters. This unique format not only elevates the aesthetic appeal of your artwork, but also offers a durable product that customers love. When comparing profitability, selling physical prints through Displate can often yield higher returns than merely selling digital wallpapers. With Displate, you earn a commission on each sale, and since the platform handles production and shipping, you can focus on creating more art. This allows you to scale your income potential without the hassle of inventory management. To maximize your earnings, it's crucial to drive traffic from your Instagram account to your Displate store. By showcasing your AI-generated images on Instagram and linking to your Displate shop, You can attract followers who are interested in purchasing your artwork. Engaging with your audience through stories, posts, and promotions will help convert your followers into customers, ultimately boosting your income from your creative endeavors. Haiyan is an innovative translation tool designed specifically for creators looking to expand their reach to non-English speaking audiences. In today's globalized world, connecting with diverse audiences is essential for growth, and Haiyan makes this process seamless. By providing accurate translations of your content, Haiyan enables you to communicate effectively with viewers from different linguistic backgrounds, ensuring that your message resonates universally. One of the standout features of Haiyan is its ability to help creators manage multilingual accounts effortlessly. Instead of juggling multiple accounts for different languages, you can maintain a single platform while catering to various audiences. This not only saves time, but also streamlines your content strategy, allowing you to focus on what you do best: creating. The financial opportunities that come with using Haiyan are significant. By tapping into non-English speaking markets, you can attract new followers, increase engagement, and ultimately boost your revenue streams. Whether through sponsorships, merchandise sales, or digital products, reaching a broader audience can lead to enhanced income potential. Embracing Haiyan as your translation tool can open doors to new opportunities, making it an invaluable asset for creators aiming to thrive in a multilingual landscape. Hostinger is an exceptional website builder that empowers digital product businesses to establish a strong online presence with ease. Utilizing Hostinger's AI tools, creating a website becomes a streamlined process, allowing you to design and launch your site without any technical expertise. The intuitive interface guides you through each step, enabling you to customize your layout, add engaging content, and showcase your digital products effectively. One of the standout features of Hostinger is its business plan, which offers a range of benefits tailored for entrepreneurs. With features like enhanced storage, unlimited bandwidth, and professional email accounts, you can ensure your website runs smoothly and efficiently. Additionally, Hostinger frequently provides promotional offers, making it an affordable option for those just starting out. These cost-effective solutions allow you to invest more in your digital products while keeping overhead low. By considering Hostinger for your website needs, you can take a significant step toward building your own online business. Establishing a professional website not only enhances your credibility, but also opens up various income opportunities, such as selling digital downloads, online courses, or subscription services. Embrace the potential of Hostinger and start your journey toward financial independence today. Photo Room. AI is a powerful tool designed to transform stock images into professional quality photos, making it an invaluable resource for anyone looking to enhance their visual content. Using Photo Room AI is straightforward. Simply upload your stock images, and the AI will automatically remove backgrounds, adjust lighting, and apply various enhancements to create stunning visuals that stand out. This capability is particularly beneficial for e-commerce businesses, as high-quality product images can significantly influence purchasing decisions. With the ability to improve product images, there is a lucrative opportunity to charge businesses for your enhanced photography services. Many companies are willing to invest in professional-looking images that can elevate their brand and attract more customers. By offering your expertise in using Photo Room AI, you can create a niche service that caters to the growing demand for quality visuals. In today's competitive online marketplace, the demand for exceptional product photography is higher than ever. Consumers are drawn to visually appealing images that showcase products effectively, making it essential for businesses to invest in high-quality photography. By leveraging Photo Room AI, you can not only enhance your own images, but also provide valuable services to others, tapping into a thriving market for professional product photography. No-code app builders like Softer and Bubble.io are revolutionizing the way individuals approach app development by enabling anyone to create functional applications without any coding skills. These intuitive platforms provide user-friendly interfaces and drag-and-drop features, allowing users to design and launch apps quickly and efficiently. This democratization of technology means that aspiring entrepreneurs can bring their ideas to life without the need for extensive programming knowledge. Many success stories have emerged from individuals who have harnessed the power of no-code tools to build profitable apps. For instance, creators have developed everything from project management tools to e-commerce platforms, generating significant revenue streams. These success stories serve as inspiration, demonstrating that with creativity and determination, anyone can turn their vision into a thriving business. As the demand for mobile and web applications continues to grow, exploring app development through no-code platforms presents a lucrative business opportunity. Whether you have a unique idea or want to solve a specific problem, no-code app builders provide the resources to make it happen. By diving into this exciting field, you can tap into a market ripe for innovation and potentially create a successful venture that meets the needs of users everywhere. Embrace the possibilities and start your app development journey today. The combination of ChatGPT and Canva is a game changer for creating and designing social media posts quickly and efficiently. With ChatGPT, you can generate engaging captions, hashtags, and content ideas in seconds, allowing you to focus on crafting the perfect message for your audience. Once you have your text ready, Canva provides an intuitive platform to design visually stunning graphics that complement your content. This seamless integration of AI-generated text and professional design tools enables you to produce high-quality social media posts in a fraction of the time it would typically take. This powerful duo also opens up the potential to offer social media management services to creators and businesses. By leveraging ChatGPT and Canva, you can provide comprehensive content creation and management solutions, helping clients enhance their online presence without the hassle of doing it themselves. Moreover, managing multiple accounts can lead to significant financial benefits. As you take on more clients, the efficiency gained from using these tools allows you to scale your services and increase your income. By streamlining the content creation process, you can focus on growing your client base and maximizing your earnings, making the combination of ChatGPT and Canva an invaluable asset for aspiring social media managers. Arc Ads presents an innovative solution for creating user-generated content UGC ads, which have proven to be highly effective in driving sales. UGC ads leverage authentic customer experiences and testimonials, making them more relatable and trustworthy to potential buyers. This authenticity resonates with audiences, often leading to higher engagement rates and conversion, as consumers are more likely to trust the opinions of their peers over traditional advertising. One of the standout benefits of using Arc Ads is the potential for businesses to save money on advertising costs. By harnessing UGC, companies can reduce the need for expensive production budgets typically associated with professional ad campaigns. Instead, they can utilize content created by their customers, which not only cuts costs, but also fosters a sense of community and loyalty among their audience. Additionally, Arc Ads opens up exciting affiliate marketing opportunities with UGC. By encouraging satisfied customers to share their experiences and promote products, businesses can create a network of brand advocates who drive traffic and sales. This approach not only enhances brand visibility, but also incentivizes customers to participate in affiliate programs, further expanding the reach of your marketing efforts. Explore the potential of Arc Ads to transform your advertising strategy and capitalize on the power of user-generated content. In this video, we explored the transformative potential of leveraging AI tools for achieving financial success in today's digital landscape. We discussed various innovative platforms, such as Midjourney for generating captivating images, Displate for monetizing art through print-on-demand services, and Hyen for reaching non-English speaking audiences through effective translations. Each of these tools offers unique opportunities for creators and entrepreneurs to enhance their income streams and expand their reach. We emphasize the importance of taking action by exploring the tools mentioned, as they can significantly streamline your processes and open doors to new revenue opportunities. Whether you're looking to create stunning visuals, manage multilingual content, or develop engaging social media posts, these AI solutions can empower you to achieve your goals more efficiently. As we wrap up, we invite you to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on leveraging technology for financial growth. Don't forget to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from these valuable resources. Together, we can navigate the evolving landscape of digital entrepreneurship and unlock the potential of AI tools for a prosperous future. Now let's go get this money. Comment money in the comments if you subscribed, and like this video, and I will bring you more informative content on ways to make money online. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.